Champ Term Book, Series 4. Term 1, Science. Chapter 2, Adaptation in Plants. There are different kinds of plants. Plants grow almost all over the earth. Some plants grow in hot places while some plants grow in cold and dry places. Few plants also grow underwater. Plants differ from each other according to climatic condition of their surroundings and bring change in themselves to survive the climatic condition of the area. This is known as adaptation. Earth can be classified into two parts, land and water. Therefore, on the earth there are mostly two types of plants. These are terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants. The plants which grow mainly on land are known as terrestrial plants. The word terrestrial means, of the land. Plants like mango, banyan, peepal grow in warmer climate of the plains. Such type of plants have lots of branches. They shed their leaves in winter to protect themselves. In summer, they bear heat and give shade. Plants like teak, palm, coconut grow in hot and humid places. They have lots of leaves. But they do not shed them. So they remain evergreen. Other examples of plants that grow in such places are rubber, sugarcane and cotton. Some plants like cedar, pine, spruce and fir grow in very cold climate. Such type of plants need very low temperature. They are usually tall and straight and are grown in hilly areas. Instead of flower they have cone. So they are called conifers. Seeds are contained in the cones. Some plants have needle-like leaves. Some plants like cactus and palm are grown in desert areas. In desert areas, there is very little water. Yet plants live and survive. Plants growing in desert are called xerophytes. The stem of these plants are green, which makes food for the plant. The stem also stores water. Most of the desert plants have no leaves. In marshy places, the soil is clayey type. Plants like mangrove grow in these areas. Clay can hold lots of water and less air. Therefore, a few root having pores come out on the ground of the soil. Aquatic plants. There are many plants which grow in water. These plants are called aquatic plants. They can be further categorized into three groups according to their water requirements and habitat. These are 1. Submerged plants, 2. Floating plants, 3. Fixed plants. Submerged plants. Such type of plants grow and remain under the water. Their leaves are very small and narrow, having no stomata. These plants breathe through their body surface. Hydrilla and tape grass are the examples of these types of plants. Floating plants. There are some plants which float on water. Duckweed and water hyacinth are the kinds of plants which float freely on the surface of the water. These types of plants are called floating plants. Their leaves are thin, waxy, so that water may not wet the surface of the leaves and block the stomata. Their roots and stems have air spaces which are filled with air and their bodies become lighter and spongy. Fixed plants. Plants such as water lily and lotus have roots which fix the plants to the mud. They can float on water. The long and hollow stems help the leaves and flowers to float on the surface of water. They have broad and flat leaves. The stomata in the leaves are on the upper side. Uncommon plants. There are some plants which have interesting features. We know that animals eat plants. But some plants like Venus flytrap, sundew and pitcher plant eat insects. Such type of plants are called insectivorous plants. These plants make their food themselves by photosynthesis but fulfill their needs of protein by trapping insects. Plants of the grass family. Grasses mainly grow on plains and hills. The roots of grasses hold soil together. There are many sizes of grasses. They may be short such as the ordinary grass or tall such as rice, maize and wheat. Grasses do not need much water and minerals. They mainly live for a season and produce a large number of seeds and die. These seeds sprout up when there is a rain. Bamboo and sugarcane also belong to the grass family. Bamboo is used to make baskets, furniture, paper and huts. We get sugar from sugarcane. Some grass plants have medicinal use. Grass is also used for packing.